Well, hello and welcome back to another exciting Starbell Video Portal production. Today I'm really stoked because we're going to unbox a GoPro Hero Black. GoPro Hero 11 Black. And I've wanted this camera for a long time. This is going to be my 4K capable action cam, and what we're going to do is unbox it today along with, I think I got some extra batteries, some extra memory cards, a dual battery charger, and the most exciting part is a mag mount, or not a mag mount, a vacuum mount, so I can mount it to the windshield of my car and do some more of these awesome car cam videos that you've seen me do in the past, but the quality was a little lackluster. So we're going to have the lovely Stephanie Zimmerman do the unboxing while I do the close-up shots. Let's get started. Here's the package, came in the mail. It's a bit smaller than I expected. Let's see what's inside. So I actually kind of unboxed this already, but then I thought, let's do a proper video. So without any further ado, Stephanie, let's open the box and see what's inside.
All right. Oh, it's like Christmas.
What do we got there?
128 gig memory card.
Can you hold that up? I'll get a zoom up of it. This is a new kind of memory. It's really tiny. Get a better focus. Soon I'm going to be focusing 4K, and that's even harder. Really tiny cards. I'm interested to see how they work. And I got two of these at 128K. I have no idea how much video that's going to actually mean on a GoPro.
128 gigs.
Or 128 gigs. I'm dating myself here. All right. Okay, we've got one of those.
They are tiny. It's the same one.
Yeah, got two of those, two memory cards.
Ooh. Okay.
That is the chocolate. I have not opened this yet. And this is the GoPro Hero Black. GoPro HERO11 Black. Or HERO11 Black, or I don't know how you're supposed to say it. So this is exciting.
Open the box.
Let's see what else is in the package first, and then we'll open the miniature boxes. So
Complimentary Viztech cleaning cloth.
Ooh! Yeah, we bought this gear from Viztech. If you're in Canada, I highly recommend them. Very professional, very helpful, and good quality stuff. No gray market. It's all retail. Okay, so this is the dual charger Enduro batteries. It's supposed to be able to charge two of these batteries at the same time over your USB port. So that's going to be handy, because I don't know about you, but I hate running out of batteries when I'm in the middle of a shoot. And memory, which is why I got two memory cards. Oh, this is the piece. So it's a suction cup mount developed for the GoPro. And that's what I'm going to be using to affix to the windshield of my car. Sweet! Anything else in the box, or is that all the goods?
Promotional material.
Ah, yes. Can't get away from that promotional material.
Invoice.
Oh, my invoice. You don't want to know how much it all costs. About 1,000 Canadian for all this. Uh-oh. Is that bubble wrap? What have I produced?
Alright.
Okay. Well, let's open some of these things and see what we got. So the memory, we don't have to open that, but I'd kind of like to open the battery charger thing first. Let's take a look at the battery charger. I'm really curious about this. It's a dual battery charger. How does it come with a battery? That's my big question. Or is it just the charger?
Looks like it comes with two batteries.
Really?
Yep.
That's cute. I guess they really want to make sure that you took it out of the packaging, so void your warranty or something. Looks like there's another piece of paper on the back there still, but...
Well,
if you're unsure, I'll take a look at those. So there's 2 batteries?
yep.
Sweet. 2 batteries come with that charging kit, which is excellent. Let's take a look at the mag mount next. Or not mag mount, I keep calling that the suction. The suction.
We need more suction, doctor.
Questions were raised. You might want that knife at this point.
Oh boy.
Oh, there's lots of pieces. 2 pieces. So much packaging. What's that?
It looks like a little tension screw of some kind.
So there's like 4 pieces there.
It's a pretty hardcore little suction cup.
That looks great. Some assembly required.
I wonder, actually, this could stick further out. So like this in the picture,
I might have to read directions.
they have it stuck to the side. So maybe that offsets from the
interesting.
suction cup.
So you come up, it comes with a couple of extra plastic hardware pieces for different kinds of mounting solutions. Very cool.
Alright.
Okay, that's very exciting. Look forward to figuring out how that works.
Industrial strength suction cup for your GoPro. Stays put up to 150 plus miles per hour on cars, boats, motorcycles, and more.
Wow. I don't know if I want to test 150 miles an hour, but...
I wouldn't recommend it.
Cool.
Suction cup, adjustable arms,
Yeah.
standard base, and quick release base.
Interesting.
Alright.
Okay, those are the accessories that we got. Now let's check out the main course, the actual GoPro Hero Black 11 itself. Ooh, nice zip opener there.
It's quite satisfying.
Was it?
Oh yeah.
Is that like a soft case it comes in?
Semi-soft. It's got some rigidity to it.
That's cool, I didn't expect that.
Oh yeah. So I guess that's the main event.
Huh. It's so small.
And shoots in 4K.
Very cool, very cool. See if I can... What else did it come with in that little case?
Battery?
Wait, so I have 3 batteries now.
You have 3 batteries now.
Oh, that is sweet. So it comes with a battery, and the battery charger I got comes with 2 batteries itself.
Charging cable.
Charging cable, cool.
Same kind as the battery charger takes.
Is it USB 3 to USB standard or something?
It's whatever the roundy one is.
The roundy one to standard USB?
Yep.
Cool.
Like not the angled one.
Yeah.
I forget what that one's called.
What's that little piece you had there?
It looks like part of
Oh, that's the mounting bracket, or a couple of mounting ideas for it.
Yeah, I think it probably is a basic mount, and you got a Skookum mount, perhaps.
Cool. And that's everything that's in the kit?
Oh, actually, these things look like they
mate
somehow. Don't they look like they should kind of fit together somehow?
They kind of look like they should.
This is from this package, and this is from this package. But
right on.
There are
instructions. Okay, well, I guess I'm going to have to read those. Did you break it already?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Slime can't have nice things.
Well, there you go. There's our unboxing of the GoPro HERO11 Black. Some really nice value with that recharger kit, getting 2 extra batteries with it. I did not expect that. So I've got 3 batteries now. Really looking forward to putting this through its paces. You should see some footage on this channel soon. So if you want to see what it looks like and see some of my reviews of how it performs, make sure you subscribe and you'll be able to see that as it becomes available. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much, Stephanie, for being our mistress of the unboxing. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Cheers.